Didn't find any definite shark teeth, but someone had been digging in the cliff, so I took some of the chips and we can look at them under the microscope at home. Maybe there's still something hiding in here. Here's a container full of greensand I found when I was on my trip recently. Someone else had dug this out of the cliff and just left it on the beach. I think they were after the bigger shark teeth. So I thought, might as well bring these chunks home and see if we can dissolve it. And there might be some micro teeth inside. What I'm going to do with these chunks is put them in the oven at 50 degrees Celsius for a couple of hours to dry them out, and then I'll pour boiling water over them, and that should break up these pieces into something I can sift, and hopefully we find some tiny shark teeth in there. Well, this shark tooth over there just drew some blood for the first time in a few million years. So I picked up this piece that just stuck into my hand. Very sharp tooth there where my thumb is. There's the blood from the little shark tooth. That is so sharp. Well, I know at least there's one shark tooth in there. The greensand's been in there for about a day now, so it should be nice and dry and ready for the next stage, which is just pouring some boiling water on it to hopefully dissolve it so we can sift it. It's changed colour, it's lost a lot of the greenness, it looks a lot whiter now. I assume that means it's drier. This is the one with the shark tooth in it. Where's the shark tooth? It's right over there. It's the one that stabbed me as I put it in there. Here's the first batch that I sifted out. Lots of coral in there. Some beautiful pieces. And I don't know if you can make out there, but there's two tiny teeth over there. And somewhere in there, there's a small shell, quite a complete one. It's either a shell or a forum. I'm not too sure. Here's the second batch of greensand that's been dried. It's already started turning quite flaky. I'm hoping we're going to get some good results when we add in the boiling water. Yummy! Starting to look good. Looks to be breaking down quite nicely. Here's the material from the second batch. Just going to pop it in the oven for a bit just to dry it out. Then we can have a look at it under a microscope. And hopefully there's a few interesting bits and pieces in there. Maybe a shark tooth or two. And here are the teeth I managed to find in amongst all those little bits of coral. Found some really beautiful ones. Start with these tiny ones over here. I think those are actually sawfish rostral teeth. They don't look like shark or fish teeth. So they'd be on the side of the sawfish's snout. Sticking out to the side. They're pretty cool. They're serrated on both sides. And this tooth is missing its root, unfortunately. But that would have been a decent sized one. Found this pretty little one just sticking out. It's got the cusp on that side and also a little bit of the root still in. That's a really pretty shark tooth. And this is my favorite one. I don't have a tooth like that. I'm not sure if it's a section of fish jaw or if that's actually the entire tooth. You sometimes get weird shark teeth like that, which have a few cusps and teeth all together, and that would have been one tooth. But yeah, if you know what that one could be, let me know in the comments. Really happy with that. This is such a beautiful tooth. Yeah, those two are my favorite. I'll bag and label the rest of this coral in greensand. Maybe have another look at it one day. Or if someone's interested in it and they come visit, they can have a look at it. I'm sure there's some cool things in there still that I don't recognize. Thanks so much for joining me for that little bit of a different fossil hunting for fossils in my house. Doing a bit of baking. Yeah, I managed to find 5 teeth. I'm well happy with that. A few people have mentioned that they don't get notifications for my live premieres where we do the live chat. I think you have to be subscribed and you also have to click on the bell icon. I'll put a picture of it on screen now. Yeah, so just make sure you've hit subscribed and also the bell button, and then you should get a notification for that. That's normally good fun. We get to talk about the video as it's played in the chat box on the side there. Thanks so much for joining me. I'll see you soon and stay safe out there. Happy birthday, Max, over there in Bermuda. I hope you have a great birthday on the 18th. Chat soon.